Alrighty. Day 9, part 2. Where's it? Day 9, number 4. Final prime. The final prime time, I should say. I'm using this automotive primer. I've already did 3 coats of fillable sander primer. I'm gonna throw this stuff on here. Alright. I've already sanded it down with 500 grit. Got off some of the highs and lows you probably would have seen in the last video here. So we're just getting some primer down on this. Then I'll sand this down. Oh yeah. Wind is blowing nice and crisp out here today. Alrighty. So, let's see here. See if we can. Catch it on this panel here. I'm gonna. Wow, the wind is blowing crazy. Look at that wind. Woo! I got eye protection on, I got face protection, I got all sorts of protection. I'm not wearing my gloves, but oh well. Alright, so that's it with this one right here. Panel looks really good. Really happy with what I've done so far. I'll show you the job. When it comes down to laying down this duple color paint, I think it's gonna turn out really nice. I started this job January 1st of 2023, and it is now March 17th. Is it? Oh, it's St. Patrick's Day for some folks. So looks like I'll be able to finish this job today, I think. We'll find out. We'll find out. Don't want to get too ahead of myself. Alright, so I'll let this one go. I'll be back in 5 minutes. Oh yeah, and by the way, I'm using this product here.